Welcome to Pro Se Legal School. We provide the tools you need to shut down the court process and take control. In this video, we're going to talk about the lawsuit package they don't want you to know exists. The post-foreclosure writ of mandamus. You can find it at my website at winningcourtnow.com, or you can click on the link at the bottom when we get done with this video. So let's just get started. What if you could get back in your home after the foreclosure eviction? What if you could get back in your home after the foreclosure eviction? You didn't lose your home. It was stolen from you. And now you've been locked out and told you have no legal recourse. What if that wasn't true? What if there was a legal strategy designed to dismiss the eviction and force the court to let you back into your home? The problem with post-foreclosure eviction: every year, thousands of homeowners are evicted after foreclosure, often without due process and most always without a court hearing their full side of the story. Why? Because the eviction process is automated. It's administrative, it's cold, it's designed to eject you, not to serve justice. And once you're out, the doors slam shut, they throw your stuff out in the yard, or sometimes they lock your stuff up inside the house and change the lock. But here's the truth: just because the court evicted you doesn't mean it was lawful, doesn't mean it lawfully removed you. That's where the post-foreclosure writ of mandamus lawsuit comes in. Now, the difference between what we have and the traditional writ, the difference between what we have and a traditional writ is, well, in a traditional writ, you get one document. You get one document. And most attorneys, if you can afford one, will charge you $3,007 to file a single writ of mandamus, one document. And if the document that you're ordering the court to rule on has defects, then you lose, and you have no second chance. No refund, no justice. Now, in the writ that you get from us, and this is a handful of most of the document, this is all put together. Compared to this, our post-foreclosure writ of mandamus package gives you 7 critical filings, not just one. This is the only lawsuit package available that lets you dismiss the post-foreclosure eviction process, order the court to restore entry into your home, provides a counterclaim that you can use against the judge, the state, and the attorneys, and the eviction parties. And then you also have a lawsuit that you file in both state and federal court. These are not forms. This is a weapon of due process. Okay, why this package work? What makes it different? Well, number one, we'll just switch over all the documents that you get. You get 7 documents instead of 1. This package is designed for homeowners to use after the foreclosure eviction process, regardless of how long ago it occurred. We use fraudulent concealment, a legal doctrine that tolls the statute of limitations, and we actually use that as a cause of action, which most attorneys are not going to tell you. And so now you can go in and sue these people for violating you and throwing your stuff out in the yard, and it doesn't matter how long ago it was. Bam! Now, this process is different because you learn how to add the players to their lawsuit against you by adding them as plaintiffs in your counterclaim. The $200 million counterclaim you can file in their case without paying fees, without the headache of serving the party. Now, if you add the attorney's property as damages in your counterclaim, then you'll have to serve the attorney's spouse. That's what we do over here. Bam, another punch in the face. And you still have your lawsuit to file in federal court, where you are the plaintiff. But you're not in a hurry to do that. You need to have a little fun over here. That's the guarantee that you get around here. that you're going to have some fun. In this package, you'll receive a verified petition of mandamus, the emergency motion to vacate the eviction, emergency demand for constitutional review, a counterclaim for due process violation, memorandum of law on administrative courts, affidavit of harm and standing, instructional videos, one-on-one coaching from yours truly, Coach Neighbors. And y'all know I like to teach people how to punch these people. And after you review the instructional video, then we'll have, I'll provide you a free game plan consultation where we'll get on the phone and I'll review what your game plan is after you reviewed all this stuff. And then we'll tweak your game plan. I don't like to see screenshots. I want to hear your words so I can understand how you're thinking. That's how I coach. Once I understand how you're thinking, I can let you know what needs to be adjusted, if anything, or if you got this down and you're on the program. Now, this isn't theoretical. This is not theoretical. This is structured to force the court to confront what they normally ignores: your constitutional rights. Your constitutional right. You're not asking for relief. You're demanding dismissal and reentry. Now, this package adds power to the state case. In most cases, the homeowner never files a counterclaim. And that's the easiest way to shut down the state process, is to file a counterclaim. But before you file it, you have to add those people to it as plaintiffs. I bet the attorney didn't tell you could do that. And that's a mistake, not filing that counterclaim, to take control right at the gate without having to pen, without having to serve everybody. Okay, I'm going to move on. This package shows you exactly how to add the state, the judge, attorneys, or the prosecutor, or whatever, and the foreclosing attorney as defendants to their own action. You flip the script on them. We're running the same plays on them they're trying to run on us. You don't want to respond to their case. You insert yourself as a third-party intervener and then launch the counter strike through your counterclaim lawsuit. That's real power. The mandamus compels re-entry, not just recognition that they violated you. This is the only writ that doesn't stop at relief. It compels restoration. You're not begging for mercy. You're telling the court the eviction was illegal, the process was fraudulent, and you're demanding your return back into your house. Because under federal law, the court must act when your rights have been ignored, especially in an administrative proceeding that bypass judicial review. Now, who is this package for? This package is for you if you've been evicted after the foreclosure. This package is for you if you never had a chance to challenge the title. This package for you if your judge ignored your filings. Ooh, that's a lot of people. This package for you if your foreclosure involved forged documents or no standing, and that's pretty much everybody because the alleged mortgage was created with your signature. This package for you if you've been railroaded through the state process and didn't understand. I got a couple of more. This package is for you if you're a legal coach and you want to start your own business. Right out the door, stop teaching people how to stop these fools. This package is for you if you're an entrepreneur and you own property and you need to protect your property. This package is for you if you're an entrepreneur and you own property in different states. Remember, we crush the state court process and file in federal court. So your legal team can handle your situation in any state. If any of this happened to you, then this isn't just a document, it's your lifeline. It's your opportunity to get your property back and keep it. And remember, the goal is at the end to get your deed out of their office. There is no law that says your deed should be registered in their office. Now, I need you guys to remember, at Pro Se Legal School, we don't roll with limitations, okay? We don't roll with limitations. We don't have no limitations around here. It doesn't matter how long ago you were violated, evicted, foreclosed on. It doesn't matter if it was HOA, judicial, non-judicial, tax lien, property lien, whatever accounting. None of that matters. Don't wait for the court to do the right thing. Make them do the right thing. Get the only writ of mandamus lawsuit package that dismisses the eviction and demands your return and back in your house. We provide you 7 powerful documents, real instructions, and a path to get back in your home. Just head over to winningcourtnow.com or click on the link down below. The writ of mandamus lawsuit package. Get this package and take back what's rightfully yours. Your home, your dignity, your rights, a little respect, a little payback for throwing your stuff out in the yard, a little payback for letting all your neighbors know, a little payback for all those people showing up at your house taking pictures and stuff. You didn't lose your home. You were violated. Now it's your turn to strike back. I'll leave a link down below. Let's go.